We are in the High Court. No, don't continue. Please, no. Don't pass any comments. Go stand there in that side. I'm arguing.
I'm not passing any comments. With due respect.
No. Don't do it.
I'm just
you assist there. Don't not within my ears.
No one have heard that I have.
Don't show your arrogancy here. CBI is arrogant. We know about that. Don't do it here.
All right, Mr. Bandhu.
I'm arguing this constantly. Tell your kind, Mr. Majumdar.
But my lord, till today, that assistant superintendent of hospital, non-medical, was not examined. But my humble submission
it is not true, my lord. He has been examined.
What did the hospital authority do?
He has been examined.
My lord, such a gruesome incident took place within the hospital.
Her statement is also with us.
Duty of the principal or the superintendent of hospital to lodge immediately an FIR. Or, my lord, the police could have, my lord, lodged an FIR suo moto. Now, kindly appreciate, my lord, that pen drive was given to the investigating agency. We do not know what happened. But in the ordinary course of events, my lord, when this thing came into the...
Which pen drive?
That's the conversation between, my lord, the parents and the assistant superintendent of police, hospital. Kindly cease, my lord, what was informed initially.
This channel does not promote any violent, harmful or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
Status report. Pursuant your lordship's direction, Lord, this is the status report. Lord, your lordship knows the further investigation is going on. So, my lord, in a sealed envelope, we are giving it to your lordship. And few paras I shall mention. My lord, your lordship has put 3 queries. On the last date, your lordship has put 3 queries on me. My lord, I shall deal one by one. My lord, all these queries has been covered by in the status report.
Do you have a copy of?
No, my lord.
Now at least.
No, we have some objection. No, my lord. No.
I am not asking, my lord, to progress of the...
No, my lord, it is not permissible. It is not permissible under the law.
I'll go to this letter 13. You answer my earlier question. Now, you said both the aspects you were in one. Yes, sir. Did you have, my second question, if you follow on the last occasion, that if it was an issue relating to gang rape, how did you work on the same? What were the list of, did you list out any suspects in the course of the investigation?
No, my lord, these are all forensic opinion has been taken. The scene of crime, my lord, we have all available DNA was examined. That was sent to the forensic expert. And ultimately, your lordship will find, my lord, para 13.1 and para 13 to a medical board of 14 doctors we have constituted from different part of the, my lord, the country. AIMS and other, my lord, the institution, my lord, different part. My lord, there, all these doctors, gyno, orthopedics, my lord, general surgery, DNA expert, audiologist, and my lord, other experts were there in the board of the team. And ultimately, they have opined, my lord, this is not 70.
No, that is, they have opined.
Yes. And we have also investigated to the angle.
That angle, what you have investigated?
Yes.
Apart from the medical, what you have investigated?
We have investigated everything, my lord. All nurses, all doctors, my lord, all persons who are associated with the hospital, all of them has been examined. My lord, although, my lord, your lordship knows better than me, at the time of investigation, the accused is also plays a vital role so far as the investigation is concerned. Confession and everything has been taken. And all aspect has been covered by the investigating agency.
Now, if that is so, I'll test that subsequently.
Yes.
Just tell me one thing then. What are you doing now? Exactly.
We are going now.
Lord,
yes, I understand your lordship's query. My lord, now what we are looking after, my lord, is this: whether there is any greater conspiracy to commit this crime there or not. This is number one. And my lord, regarding the destruction of evidence. These are the 2 parts, my lord, we are looking for. And my lord, the investigation is on day-to-day basis. It is going on. Voluminous document has been collected. Phone, my lord, the numbers, all call data details, whoever was present there. Everything is scrutinizing by the agency.
Just tell me one thing then.
Yes.
That means you are now investigating on destruction of evidence.
Yes. And also the conspiracy part.
Conspiracy, the part whichever you are investigating, is it the conspiracy relating to commission of the offense?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes. Caller.
Then you have left out 70. How?
Who? What? 70?
Then how did you leave out 70?
No, just oh, conspiracy, whether they have hush up the matter or suppress the matter or not.
Post offense conduct?
Yes.
Or
post offense conduct. Post offense conduct.
This,
Yes.
I intended to know the same.
Yes.
Because therefore you say that all these incident was by a single person committed according to
as of now, my lord, whatever the
materials
investigation is
have
coming out,
collected,
my lord, yes.
Number one. Number two, at least even if there was no second offender at the place of occurrence, there was no person in conspiracy in respect of the substantive offense concerned. Therefore, there was no further common intention to commit the offense of rape, as
that we are in our report, my lord, we have dealt with this part also. My lord, kindly consider that also, my lord, and go through it, my lord, once.
So now what you are investigation is that once the offense was committed, the news came up, the role of the
various officials and staff of the hospital.
This is what you are investigating.
Yes.
Now. So substantive offense, no investigation is going on.
Yes.
The investigation is going on regarding the act and actions relating to destruction of the evidence pursuant to the substantive offense being.
Yes.
This is what you are doing. How much time you require, Father?
Lord, at present we cannot, Lord, say anything before.
Where are you stuck?
Lord, it is a voluminous document. Everybody is being interrogated. Lord, it will take some time. Right now we cannot, Lord, commit your lordship's court. This time we will complete the investigation. And Lord, kindly consider this aspect also, my lord. It is your lordship's call whether your lordship, my lord, monitor this or not, my lord. It is my duty as an officer of the court and also, my lord, being an officer of the central government to point out to your lordship the present position where the matter is, my lord, stucking before the Honorable Supreme Court. Supreme Court, so far as prayer 1 is concerned, they wanted that, my lord, entire part should be shifted from Supreme Court and given it to before this court. But, my lord, so far as that part is concerned, court did not utter any word.
Yeah, I don't want to hear that argument on whether it's whatever clarification.
Yes.
Supreme Court has given indication the writ petition should be heard. Whether the maintainability of the writ petition that Mr. Bandyopadhyay also intends to argue maintainability, Mr. Moitro, but that has got nothing to do with the main part of the.
No, that is true. That is the reason, my lord, we have submitted the report. If your lordship want to see the case diary, my case diary is also present here. Your lordship can go through.
The summary is this.
Yes.
One thing you do, Mr. Have you give all the, because see, all the one trial is complete.
Which one?
Our trial has been completed.
Yes.
Already.
An appeal is pending. So far as, my lord, we preferred an appeal for enhancement of sentence. Lord, that has been, my lord, my appeal has been admitted and, my lord, it has been kept for hearing.
You have all the materials with you today. The evidences also. He
is the person who conducted the trial before the trial court. Our public prosecutor.
Apurva Visa PW 21.
21. कॉपी कहाँ है? हाँ दे दीजिए. पूरा कंपाइलेशन एक एक करके हम लोग पढ़ के दे देंगे ना. ठीक है, इसको दे दीजिए जरा सबको अभी.
ठीक है, दे दीजिए पूरा देखना, पेज निकाल के दे.
नहीं, वो तो फिर आपको रिटर्न बैक कर देंगे.
मुझे रिटर्न नहीं.
दे दीजिए.
इंडेक्स है ना.
अच्छा,
लक्ष्मण
और दोनों क्या रीना दास का दीजिए.
Therefore, after trial, magistrate is having power. My lord, if the sir, we are in a high court. No, don't
Continue, sir.
please no. Don't pass any comments. Go stand there in that side. I am
I am
arguing.
not passing any
What
comment,
side?
with due respect.
No.
sir.
Don't do it.
I'm just
Don't-
assisting.
You assist there. Don't not within my ears.
No one have heard that I have.
Don't show your arrogancy here.
Nothing.
CBI is arrogant. We know about that. Don't do it here.
All right, Mr.
No,
Bandyopadhyay.
I'm arguing this is a constant. Tell your client, Mr. Mojumdar, do not be afraid to your clients. Be a lawyer of High Court.
You have got their statements.
Yes. We have.
1 minute. Give me the documents. Give me the documents. If you have or you produce that. One is the 161 statement if you have recorded.
Yes.
Number one. Number two, are these persons any sample except the you have referred to voice analysis and polygraph test.
Yes.
Any DNA analysis of these persons were done. DNA analysis.
Because nothing was found on the spot.
This is where the DNA analysis done prior to the this or post this
Which
of
one?
the accused who has been
Prior to this.
of the accused who has been
Yes,
convicted prior to this.
No.
No.
After convicted. After. Yes. During investigation, we have done it
No, this
simultaneously.
Before filing charge sheet.
Yes.
Before filing charge sheet.
Because all these aspects we have not covered.
referred to the persons. I have said ask the. I have come over, reached over here because I asked you a question. DNA profiling was done for one person or more than one person.
One person.
There are 5 years. Only one person was found in sample check.
In the samples, Milord, there is only one male DNA.
That is right.
No other male DNA was found on the samples.
Mr. Moitu, I think you better, because it will be very difficult for me to proceed. There is already one conviction.
Only one.
Already one conviction.
Yes.
Evidence is already there in court.
In respect of that accused only.
In respect of that, without going through that, I am not a cross-examiner now.
No, your lordship need not, my lord. But I
So
can
the-
only draw your lordship's kind attention to aspects of this matter.
Uh-huh.
First, my lord, my learned friend raised the objection regarding the writ petition being heard by your lordship.
I'm going into the merits now. I will hear that. sir.
Yes. Now, so far, my lord, the writ petition is concerned, my lord. Rather, my lord, the particular incident is concerned, my lord. I shall draw your lordship's kind attention to certain, my lord, the sequence of events. If your lordship kindly go through that sequence of events and the conduct of the then investigating agency and subsequent investigating agency, your lordship is simply amazed. But if your lordship kindly take trouble to go through, my lord, paragraph 4 of my petition.
This is why I'm saying, sir, I've got to see the evidence already which is there.
But my lord, till today, that assistant superintendent of hospital, non-medical, was not examined. But in my humble submission,
It is not
my lord,
true, Milord. He has been examined.
What did the hospital authority do?
He has been examined.
Well, my lord, such a gruesome incident took place within the hospital.
Her statement is also with
Not
us.
duty of the principal or the superintendent of hospital to lodge immediately an FIR. Or, my lord, the police could have, my lord, lodged an FIR suo moto. Now, kindly appreciate, my lord, that pen drive was given to the investigating agency. We do not know what happened. But in the ordinary course of events, my lord, when this thing came into the,
Which pen drive?
that's the conversation between, my lord, the parents and the assistant superintendent of police, hospital. Kindly seize, my lord, what was informed initially. But in the ordinary course of event, police immediately ought to have, my lord, taken this person under custody and interrogated. Many things could have been come out, my lord. Then your lordship will be surprised to see next stage. Till the parents, my lord, the father lodged the FIR, no FIR was lodged, and FIR was lodged, my lord, at 3:30. And in what manner your lordship will see?
But these aspects we are investigating. The further investigation, whatever they are saying, Lord, now it is going on. But
my lord, kindly see, neither the superintendent nor the principal ever appeared at the occurrence. Ever meet my lord, the parents of the victim girl.
But these issues are covered in the status report.
Then my lord,
Lordship will get that.
investigating agency, what he did, which carried the dead body. Before the my lord parents reached at his residence, dead body was given.
But
Mr.
Moito, let me just deal in my own manner for the timing. I'll give audience to both of you. You, Mr. Bandyopadhyay and Mr. Mojumdar.
So far, Mr. Bandyopadhyay is concerned, my lord, I am fortified by your lordship's court judgment. There is after conclusion of the trial, after my lord, the order of acquittal was
that
passed.
Papan Datto case, your lordship can remember that.
My lord, I had a privilege to appear in that case, and that was.
And Mr. Bandyopadhyay are good. And that is the reason further investigation was directed.
And change of investigation.
Can be, my lord.
We'll argue. Lord, in the dynamic subject, I have no issues.
My lord and friend cited 2013 Madras judgment. There are, my lord, 2016 two judgments of the apex court where it was held that further investigations does not, irrespective of the stage.
And 2019 also, Justice Narrington has passed the judgment. 2019.
Just tell me.
Judges bench. I have all the judgments.
Only few days back, my lord, the news came out, my lord, in the newspaper that with the assassination of the President Kennedy, a person's name was, my lord, divulged. Investigation is going on to fix the liability.
Well, that is not settled propositional law. I don't think there is any doubt, Milord.
And further, my lord,
The stage, Milord, is immaterial.
State is not opposing the further investigation.
Mujumdar.
Yes, Milord.
This way things can't move actually. I've got to follow a path because 2 or 3, 4 days maximum I'll take up the matter. So just tell me, can you show me the case diary you received from the Calcutta police initially?
Yes. Aaj nahi hai. We can.
Produce that. And I want you must be having a movement register since you are monitoring. These cryptic questions will be coming up, which I have got to deal with also. He was not examined, they were not examined, and all these things. You understand?
Just kindly turn to page 14. Your lordship's query is there.
They are saying this, tomorrow they will take up another name. You understand?
And her evidence has been taken up.
So what you do, you must be having your roster in the office. Whoever is attending regularly in connection with this case, you must be maintaining something.
Whoever not security staff and on duty on the day.
Office, what office?
In your CBI office,
yes,
or the case diary concerned,
yes,
or the movement register, whatever you are maintaining. Maybe you are not citing a person as a witness, but you are calling the person.
Yes, yes, that is the register we are maintaining.
So,
in case diary.
To give a list whom you have examined
and when,
and the dates. I mean,
not only order being passed by the apex court. Suddenly, the security guard or night duty on that.
No, that
these are we cannot go by the
coincidence, Mr.
Yes.
Moito. Mr. Moito, I don't understand one thing. Unnecessarily apprehension is one thing.
No doubt, my lord, no doubt. And my lord, we are not for that.
So they are doing certain things. I am examining. Maybe I just want to assess why is this time consumption? Please give a report. Why is this? Now you are investigating. You have already submitted in open court that you are not in a position to give a timeline. So you must have been stuck by certain things. That this is why it is not possible. Maybe for expert, maybe for X. Why is that?
Lot of expert opinion is still pending.
So I want to close the chapter someday or the other. This cannot continue like a trial court day after day.
No.
This is a writ petition only. You are investigating, further investigating. You have submitted a report. Only this one I am keeping today.
Yes.
The second, this I will return to you on the next day. Report I will keep on the record. This I will return to you. Next date I will return to you. Let a close envelope.
One thing may I submit, my lord?
Yes.
But there are judgment of the trial court as MIB report. Yes. That is also there. Your lordship, you can go through it. The observation made by the
Section 193 in the report also. Clause II, where, my lord, the victim was given the copy of the progress of the investigation. Well, kindly have a glance through.
At this stage, I will not.
Well, kindly have a glance through, my lord.
The investigation.
At least, my lord, synopsis.
And my lord,
Mr.
kindly,
Moito, whatever you had to know, I had an interaction with him in open court. One part is clear, you may be agreed. Huh? So far as the further investigation is concerned, further investigation requires there some problem. What is the problem? As a court of law, I am trying to know from them only. My limited.
Whether problem was created by them or not.
That I don't know.
my lord, kindly, my lord, let them appreciate our uphill task. My lord, I'm telling your lordship, charge was framed in this case on 4th of November 2024 and judgment was delivered on 18th of January. My lord, kindly visualize the uphill task taken by the CBI, which has been entrusted by the Honorable High Court.
No, I understand. See, once a perception is created, no, it's very difficult to overcome that until and unless certain cogent reasons are assigned. Try to appreciate that also. The perception was something like this. Today in open court, you have said certain things. Huh? Now, somebody may agree, somebody may not be. That's a different issue. But as a court of law, two things I want to be satisfied. One is that relied upon, unrelied upon, whoever you have examined, just give a list. I'm not wanting the contents. Contents. I'm not wanting. Who said what? I'm not wanting. I'm just wanting the list. And just why are you stuck right now?
Where we are stuck now?
Why are you not?
And what is the why this investigation is not
that you have said already in open court? So I don't require a repetition of the same. You have said that you're not investigating on the substantive offense anymore.
Yes.
Neither you are saying that the offense which was committed by the accused was as a result of a furtherance of common intention.
That part is not there.
That part is not there. So premeditated mind of these two accused persons who or two, I believe,
or other,
or two other two
are not there prior to the offense.
Yes.
That is post to the offense which you are investigating.
Yes, yes.
So that much is clear before us. All
there I shall make my submission.
That's why I am making wherever is required. I am wanting you to know that. So that you can obviously you have come up for further investigation. You are entitled to make your submission. I have no issues regarding that.
And they himself said for larger conspiracy they are investigating.
The larger conspiracy for many other reasons.
Destruction of the.
Yes. You give me that list which I have told you.
Yes.
Not the contents.
I understand, my lord. What are the witnesses?
Number one. Number two is that those two things on the next date you give me. I'm giving you 2 weeks time. After 2 weeks, you give me this. Mr. Moito Lane, a senior advocate, appears on behalf of the petitioner and is and expresses the agony of the parents who before this court pursuing for remedies in connection with.
All the we understand their agony. We have done a uphill task.
RC 04820 24 S 0010 dated 13/8/2024. Next. Mr. Bandyopadhyay Lane, a senior counsel appearing on behalf of the state of West Bengal, address the court on the issues on the issue as to whether subsequent to a finality arrived at by a trial court, whether investigation whether the High Court can whether High Court can consider the prayer advance in the writ petition for further investigation. Mr. Mojumdar, DSGI, appearing on behalf of the CBI, has submitted a report along has submitted a report along with certain enclosures. Let the same be kept in a sealed cover. Learned DSGI has been directed to take instructions from the investigating agency on issues relating to further investigation, as well as a list to be furnished before this court. Let the same be prepared and furnished before the court.
My lord, week starting from 21st, my lord. It's a long holiday for 10 days, my lord. So
23rd of April.
as your lordship, please.